Them a liar. I people them money, they want. You don't have no preacher where I preach them because I preach the word of God. Because when you preach the word of God, you don't want no money, you don't want nothing, you don't want no acceptance, you want what God say you fi do.
I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Can you? We have a next Ninja Man video or a few Ninja Man videos where we're gonna watch and laugh and someone gonna cry. Yeah. Not talk too long, you know. Let's jump right into it. Shit. Lick up my neck.
Pastor them a thief and corruption. I mean, there no pastor nowadays.
You're in nothing with corruption. You're not a politician.
Nothing with no pastor. Because you see pastor them nowadays, them are some real demon and them are Satan. One time when the corruption and the nonsense them are going to Jamaica, pastor would have go by the wayside and let it and preach about them. No pastor help condone with the nonsense them.
They're just trying to, you know.
Trying to what? Trying to lean yourself from people.
I'm trying to defend the pastors.
Me don't know why I play devil's advocate.
Me don't want to be in a society. Me don't want to be in a society.
You're talking about like
me want to be a part of God. All of them something they were not right.
They're reaching out to love. They're loving everyone. Depending, no matter what you are, they're going to love you. They're going to accept you.
Them are liar. I people them money. They want. You don't have no preacher where I preach them because I preach the word of God. Because when I preach the word of God, you don't want no money, you don't want nothing, you don't want no acceptance, you want what God say you fi do.
And more pastors are being
and them pastors are not deal with nothing. If you know much of them are charged for try rape people pitney. Much of them are charged for child abuse, pedophile, and them something there. And most of the pastors are involved in them something there now.
Priest. And a line during this period of time, I think this was like what 2010, 11 there about. Remember, so we have one pastor get locked up for a molest and all kind of same thing. Yo, listen, pastor along with the church members, not all, but I'd say me I go up on a limb. Me sure you're not gonna break off 50% of churchgoers and pastors. Them a hide behind the church. Be wrong things they involved now. Be wrong things them a do. Them are more sinner than me. When I'm in a church right now, which I was a church member. I used to not preach when I was a kid, but yeah, but enough of them I hide behind God, man. I said them are God serving people and I do all kind of things. If night could turn to day, let us pray.
Praise, because the church inoculated with nothing more than sin and corruption, presumptuous sin. Then get all of the people their money, then get so addicted to thieving the people their money when collection time come. Then forget that God them a preach about. So me in a them and then church and then God and then this and then that. Me in a my God, my belief, my faith, where God lead me and I follow.
So that's a spiritual and not religious.
Me not in a no religious. Religious is a confusion. If you notice right now the war we are going in the Middle East. It's religious
just
people are war.
What I've been saying.
Christian and Muslim are war.
What I've been saying.
And from day one in a Christian and Muslim are. Christian and Muslim are the wickedest set of people. Them God for kill out the whole of them, God for just kill all
I think this is where we should wrap up this
let me have a ramping up them. God for just get mad and kill out the whole of them. Oh, it's me ramp.
I think we should wrap up this
them
interview
can't
right
hate me, but when me talk and can't beat but me word me can't stop. Me I tell you not that. Me want God just get serious one day and just say tired of the whole of you and a full time now for know say I mean in God. And just start do the world dusty even if Ninja Man if he get hurt in there. Me tell you that.
So the God of the Old Testament is
Ninja
Man says send out the whole of them. Send out. But Ninja not like. Also, but the Bible said so when God forward back, if you believe in a God, I know someone don't believe in a God, but I do believe that there is a power above. When he forward back, a problem, just like when Ninja Man said, but call him a conspiracy theorist. Ninja always come with some things where gonna have you thinking hard, long and hard. Yeah, man, we might have laugh about it, but take some of the things that we must say serious. In presentation, kind of cross, but look into it. Anyways, next video, yeah, Ninja go up on stage and not say a word and watch how the people them react.
something to tell them sound, man, yeah. Them lucky I no come.
You see, Jenna just says nothing and the amount of forwarding get. I think this was a sound clash, or yeah, it was a sound clash. So I guess Ninja was just a guest there. Ninja dancer general, you know. Yeah, man. You have rate and respect Ninja. You see that? You man have to say nothing. Just presentation. Them artists nowadays, they don't know how to present themselves, fam. Them come on the stage and the whole of them pants reach down on their knee, like what Peanut Judge say, and the whole of them underwear show. Bro, I don't want to see underwear. That's why I don't go to stage show anymore. Man, look how the man presenting himself. Just by his suit alone, he can get forward. Just by his whole appearance, he can get forward. Them artists, yeah. I don't want to see them perform, brother. Because I don't want to see no man underwear. Pull up your underpants, brother. And your pants. And pull on your shirt. One ninja. And a free ninja. We are saying. Anyways. Like up a video for me. Leave a comment downstairs. Share the video. And subscribe. Touch the notification bell. And I am out. I'm still there.